Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to treat your fingers if they got swollen from a sport activity using a battery operated TENS. TENS, it's a nerve stimulator which kindly helps the body to produce natural painkiller. So I'm gonna show you how to treat your swollen fingers if you had an injury from playing basketball or football. Specifically, I injured my finger. If you can see here, it's a bit swollen. Basically, the ball passed through my finger and it creates some kind of swollen feeling here, the joint. I mean, if you observe, here is a bit bruised. And with the help of TENS, I'm gonna show you how to treat your fingers and naturally speed up the healing process without the use of any medication or anything other. Maybe you can use if you like, but I will not advise you. So basically, activate your TENS and take the electrodes and place them in the way I show you. If your bruise is around here, so place them around there. It's a good idea to use all fingers or only one, but in this demonstration I will show you how to use all fingers. And place the other part in the opposite direction as is shown in these figures. And after, activate TENS. TENS, it has two dimensions, has to increase the intensity. The one way is via frequency and the other way by intensity, by pressing this button. So first, increase the frequency by as much you start feeling, and when you start feeling, stop. The feeling, the best way to explain the feeling is like a tenderizing effect. So you feel that somehow the pain is stimulated and alleviated. What you can do, maybe you press a bit apart to increase the intensity or increase the areas that is, perhaps you can increase the intensity a bit more, and you can change the frequency as well, as much you feel comfortable. It's a good idea that you feel you feel some intensity, and over time this intensity will become lower and lower. Then increase more. So over a session of 10-15 minutes, it will be nice, or you will feel that you increase the intensity to double or 3 times. Depends what makes you feel comfortable. In my case, I increase the intensity every 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Try to find the best combination for you in your case. However, now keep this session for, I recommend, 15 minutes. Also, TENS provides some different programs. At the moment, I use them constant. You can choose different modes as you like. Another nice mode, which I find really very favorable, is a mixed mode. It's a bit of constant, a bit of burst mode. Also, another way to connect the parts, if you want to give more focus to one specific finger, is as follows. You can put them horizontally with the fingers. And as you may notice, as you move your fingers, you feel the intensity flows across your finger. What I mean by that? The intensity might be stronger at the lower part of the fingers, and after becomes stronger at the upper parts of the finger by moving. And also it's good idea to touch around and make the flow distributed across the whole finger. So play with it. You will feel how much is good. You will feel the intensity. If it's too high, lower it down. If it's too low, you can increase it. And remember, the higher the intensity, the more tingling effect that your fingers has the more painkiller your body will naturally produce. After when you have finished your therapy, maybe you can apply a lotion of anti-inflammation cream of your choice. For obvious reasons, I cannot give any recommendation about what you can put, because it's against the YouTube policy to recommend any type of medicines. But you can get advice from your doctor what would be nice anti-inflammation cream to apply for your swollen fingers. I hope you like my video and you treat your fingers and reduce the pain. And let me know if this technique works for you. Thank you. Bye-bye.